Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Philadelphia County in southeast Pennsylvania until 5:15 p.m. At 4:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Milbourne, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Camden and Ben Franklin Bridge around 4:55 p.m., Gloucester City and Belmar around 5 p.m., Magnolia and Cherry Hill around 5:10 p.m., Breeze and Springdale around 5:15 p.m. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Camden County, New Jersey, and Philadelphia County, Pennsylvania.